What the hell is wrong with you, dude? Dude? Okay, what the hell is wrong with you, Superman? I lost it all. All of what? My life savings. I moved everything into crypto. Haven't you heard of diversification? You mean diversifying my portfolio? Why, yes. Yes, I have. I wanted bigger gains now versus the stock market gains. So you lost it all in crypto? I sure did, Batman. Screw you. Aren't you an alien or a god or something like that, right? So why do you need money? Man, you get all these cool toys that your company Wayne Industries paid for. I need cool toys to fight crime with as well. By the way, isn't that like embezzling funds or something? Improper use of company assets at a minimum. I mean, Wayne Industries created the Batmobile for the military, yet you were always wrecking them on the city streets of New York. I mean, Gotham. Oops, my bad. It's my company. I can do what I want. But isn't Wayne Industries a public company? So, would you like something to eat? Here's a Luna bar. You're an asshole, Batman. Yes, I've been told that before. You look a little drained. Here's a Celsius energy drink. Screw you, Batman. So no food or drink? No. Luna set back crypto several years when it comes to trust and stablecoins, and Celsius suspended all withdrawals for customers and their crypto holdings. But seriously, why do you need this money? You're not human. Batman, I still need clothes to wear and a place to live. You don't want to see a naked, homeless superhero stopping crime, do you? Well, I mean, hell no. So Celsius is an exchange? One that will no longer allow you to exchange your assets on their platform? Well, that's shitty soups. Very. So Celsius is an exchange like Coinbase? Not exactly. Celsius is a platform that allows people to earn interest on their crypto and also be able to lend out or borrow against crypto. I'm Batman. Bitch, I know who you are. My bad, I just can't help myself. Yeah, I know. So you were saying, Celsius? Yes. Celsius is more or less a victim of the state of the world. So should we get all the Justice Leagues together? No. We don't fight inflation that's caused by tax breaks, worldwide pandemics, and wars. But we can help the Ukraine, right? Save that for another day, Batman. Okay, so crypto markets is still pegged to the world economies? Interest rates increase, people get scared, and they stop investing. Yes, and not just in stocks, real estate, gold, and silver, but they stop investing in crypto as well. It sounds like it was a bad move for you to move your life savings into crypto. No shit, Sherlock. Is Sherlock Holmes here? Where? Dude, you are a space cadet. Now that's not nice. As I was saying, most of the world is in or headed into a recession. This is nothing that Celsius did other than having low liquidity. And when the bank run happened, the wrinkles in the Celsius project showed, just like during the bank runs at the start of the Great Depression. Damn, son, you know a lot of shit. I mean, I am an alien or a god, right? So basically, the trust in the world economies in general is declining. So what you're saying is that many people started panicking and withdrawing their money from Celsius and other exchanges, which caused a bank run on Celsius. People were withdrawing their crypto from Celsius and they didn't have enough liquidity to meet all of those requests because of the limitations with their liquidity. Okay, so you're not a space cadet. That is all correct. Now what happened to Luna? Jesus Christ, Batman. Those wounds are still fresh. I'm trying to learn from you what not to do. Ha ha ha. Long story short, Terra Luna's stablecoin was pegged to the US dollar using algorithm, not actual US dollars. The algorithm failed and their UST depegged and tanked. And because of this, the Terra Luna stablecoin project went from top 10 crypto project to worthless in just a few days. This is hurting the crypto market way more than anything else right now. This is up there with Mt. Gox. Damn. Yup. Oh, and this was done by attackers, perfectly timing every aspect of the attack. So is it Justice League time? Shall I continue? So this is no longer a long story short, but a long story long. Okay, please continue. Thanks, Bats. The attackers knew that if they broke UST's dollar peg, that it would cause uncertainty in the ecosystem. On May 7th, the attackers swapped $85 million worth of UST into USDC on the decentralized exchange Curve. The attackers then continued to swap tens of millions of dollars worth of USDC, putting a constant downward pressure on the price of UST. Sentiment turned negative. Investors withdrew several billions of dollars worth of UST from Anchor and began to redeem their tokens for Luna. Now that pushed Luna's price down, leading to more instability. Eventually, the project crashed and died. So how much did you have invested in Terra Luna? Not too much, man. Are you kidding me? Once I saw the depeg by a few cents, I got out of that project. It officially depegged when it was not worth $1 consistently. I got out of the project when UST was worth about 96 cents per token. So you're good then? No, I'm not. Terra Luna had about $1.8 billion worth of BTC, which they sold in a failed attempt to defend the peg. This partially explains the large dip in the markets. So adding Celsius to all this mess in less than a month, along with all of the world events, is bad for crypto overall. Well, I'm still investing in crypto. DCA, dollar cost averaging, baby. Yeah, me too. I know the rules of this crypto game. I have lost a lot. I still have all of my coins, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I'm buying more and just stacking up for the next bull run. Stop being so extra, Soups. Okay, I just called the Justice League. We're about to go kick some ass. You coming with? Why not? But first, let me take care of some personal business.